Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's upcoming releases. From the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Fan Edition to the latest developments in Samsung's supply chain, we've got all the latest updates for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what's in store for Samsung fans this year. Samsung's Fan Edition lineup is poised for a refresh this year, with expectations pointing towards a release in the second half of 2024, likely following the debut of Samsung's new foldable phones. Although the launch is anticipated to be approximately 6 months away, early signs indicate that Samsung is already in motion to assemble the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, which is anticipated to be a cornerstone of its 2024 Fan Edition series. Samsung is currently navigating the critical phase of establishing the supply chain for the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. This involves assessing components, negotiating with suppliers, and finalizing sourcing arrangements before transitioning into mass production, which is slated for the latter half of this year. According to reports from South Korea, Samsung has chosen ANAPAS, a Korean company specializing in ICS and related products, as the supplier for the display driver ICs for the upcoming Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is expected to feature a rigid OLED display panel with chip-on-film packaging for the driver, a packaging method known for its complexity compared to chip-on-glass. Samsung's decision to partner with ANAPAS underscores its confidence in the supplier's products, bolstered by their previous collaboration history. ANAPAS holds the position as the third-largest supplier of display driver ICs to Samsung Display for smartphone OLED panels. Anticipation is building for the mass production of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, slated for the summer months, with the device likely to be unveiled around August or September of this year. Are you eagerly awaiting the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into Samsung's upcoming releases. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned for more exciting updates. Peace out.